Thousands of people in California are currently living with a previous marijuana conviction on their record, but the state's new recreational use law is providing the opportunity for relief.
23 ABC's Brandon Johansson joining us live now from the courthouse, where many people could have the chance for a clean slate. Brandon.
Hey guys, that's right. This opportunity has actually been there ever since Prop 64 took place. It gives those with prior marijuana-related convictions the chance for a fresh start. Local attorney talked to me today and told me that even though we live here in Kern County where those marijuana laws seem to be a little bit tougher, it shouldn't hurt your chances. A chance for a clean slate.
I think the average person doesn't know that.
That's what local attorney Mark Anthony Raimondo says a relatively new state law provides.
You're most likely eligible to some relief, whether it's completely dismissed or at least down to a misdemeanor.
Relief provided by Proposition 64, giving people with a past a chance at a future. Marijuana-related crimes have now been reduced to misdemeanors, but they used to be felonies. The law gives those with convictions a chance to reduce their felonies to misdemeanors or to get rid of it altogether. The California Judicial Council says at least 4,500 people have filed to have their records expunged, including here in Kern County.
Even if you went to prison, it could still be reduced. Even if you went to prison, it could still be expunged off your record, at least down to a misdemeanor, and you could get all your gun rights back.
And removing that felony conviction could be huge for someone trying to move on. It can affect everything from a job search to credit scores to even more consequences.
My dad can borrow my car to go hunting, leaves a couple shotgun shells in the back seat or in the trunk, and then if I have a felony conviction, I'm looking at going to state prison on that.
And despite Kern County coming down hard on local sales of marijuana in recent months, Raimondo says that it shouldn't affect this chance at a clean slate.
You know, what's going on in the court system, what's going on in the reductions has nothing to do with what they're trying to prevent here from having storefronts.
Now, of course, there are exceptions to this rule. For example, if you sold to a minor or you have other major felony convictions that could keep you from being eligible, you'll want to check in with counsel for more on that. And Raimondo says that this whole process really doesn't take that long. Of course, you want to check in with counsel for more information on that. He also said that felons who were in prison for these sorts of things are usually, by this time, have been released out or their sentences had already been reduced. For now in downtown Bakersfield, Brandon Johansson, 23 ABC News.